Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing your August read. Let's see what energies are coming towards you in August now, Capricorn, and how we can use this reading to have a wonderful month ahead. And these are general collective readings, Capricorn, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most for August. Thank you. So Capricorn, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Capricorn, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Okay. Ending something painful. Capricorn, new cycle starting. Yes, Judgment card is here. I saw that in the pre-shuffle as well. The Judgment card came out and the World card came out. I said, what are these new beginnings happening for Capricorn now? Okay, and a secret message for you. All right, High Priestess, bottom of my deck. Okay, then this High Priestess is coming up for, I think, all three Earth signs. Came out for Virgo, came out for Taurus, and now you, my God. Okay, so this month is going to be very, very important for Earth signs, I think, to tap into their inner guidance, their spirituality, and as well as, I think, keep some things to yourself. Don't be an open book and go out telling everybody everything that, is in your heart, because that's the guidance. Let's see. So before I start clarifying these cards, Capricorn, I'm going to take a Ganesha Oracle card for you. Let's see, with the new month coming up, what Lord Ganesha has to say to you, what blessing is going to be bestowed upon you. Nurture. You need to take care of yourself. You're ending a very painful cycle, it seems, Capricorn. You are ending a painful cycle and you're beginning a brand new one. It's almost like being birthed into a new world. And that process is sometimes a little difficult. So make sure in August you really, really take care of yourself. Okay? Just going to put this here and start your reading. So in your current energy, Capricorn, I have the Two of Pentacles. Trying to find balance, going back and forth in your mind, not very happy with, your investments or whatever you've been focusing on. You need to make a choice as to now what next. What should I invest in now? You're ready, you're geared up, you're absolutely geared up. The Chariot is here, but you just want to know which direction, what to invest in, which way, or what is going to give you the maximum benefit. Exactly. The minute I said that, I got the Two of Wands as well, which again is somebody standing in limbo, not knowing which direction to take, choosing between two options. So there are three cards, straight shot of options. I have the Two of Pentacles, which is going back and forth with your choices, the Lovers, which is again having to make a choice, and then the Two of Wands, which is again wanting to know which direction should I invest in, what will give me the maximum gain, whichever sphere of your life this could be. This could be in work, business, relationships, anything. But you're all geared up. You're all prepared now. You're just kind of figuring out the directions, I think. You need a GPS at the moment, I think, because your car is all oiled up and polished and ready. It's just that you need a little bit of help right now as to which direction that you should take off in. In the past, I feel you left something which was troublesome for you. Six of Swords. Yeah, something broke down in the sense there was a tower which kind of erupted in the recent past. Something blew up. You've kind of left all that. You've left all this trouble. I think you've already started to sail towards a happier, calmer place for yourself. Now it's just a matter of which direction now you're going to take this boat, right? You've already... Just give me a second. Somebody's at the door. Hold on. And I'm back. I hope yes. All right. So the video is working again, and like I said, something kind of collapsed in your past, but you have started the process of leaving all this conflict behind and moving on. It's just a matter of now what next, right? There's a bit of confusion. There's a bit of confusion because you see all these options in front of you. You don't know which one to choose now. This could be currently what you're going through. What Lord Ganesha is saying that right now, don't be in a rush. Don't be in too much of a rush to quickly kind of, it's all right to take a breather. Sometimes when you go through something this painful, when you've been, some tower has fallen or something's gone wrong, it's very natural for us humans to quickly take the next path and move to another place or do something else. But what I think Lord Ganesha is trying to say, it's time to take a little breather and nurture yourself, regain that strength, and that clarity will come. Your inner guidance will tell you. That's why I think the High Priestess was there for you as well. You need to tap into your inner guidance and ask the universe to help you. Don't take too quick an action too soon. You need to heal first. So, 10 of Swords, Spirit. 10 of Swords. Yeah, see, after these 10 swords in August, this is what you've just been through, right? This is the ending. You've picked up that one sword. Now you're starting that same, another cycle, new chapter of your life is beginning in August. The past is history. And tomorrow is a mystery, so enjoy the present. Okay? So this is over for you, and you're starting August with the Ace of Swords now. Nothing can really go wrong with the Ace. I mean, this is a absolutely brand new life, I would say, being carved out for you. And that's why I was wondering, what is Capricorn? Why does the Judgment card here? Why is the World card here in the pre-shuffle and it's here again? This is like rebirth. This is like being born again, almost. So, Ace of Swords, Spirit, what can we expect now for August? What can we expect for August? Again, the Six of Swords, leaving all troubles behind, all your burdens behind. Yes, concentrate on yourself. I think that's the message for August, coming very strongly to me. Spirit saying whatever burden you had, Capricorn, in the past, I think you've already kind of left those troubles behind. You've already on your now path to a peaceful place for yourself. Right now, there's no rush. There's absolutely no rush. You can take a little breather, wait a little bit, your ships will come in. Now, this person is patiently waiting, and that's the guidance for you. This is the time, it's you and yourself. This is the time to take care of yourself. 9 of Pentacles energy. You by yourself, taking care of you. And once you are empowered, your ships are going to come in. Your brand new chapter is here. New cycle is beginning for you. So don't be in a rush. I think August, try and just relax. Just relax. So what should Capricorn hold on to, Spirit? Hierophant. Yes, Spirit is saying, instead of always now looking back in the past and seeing what didn't work out, having regrets and sorrow about what the things that haven't worked out for you in the past, this is like almost like a baby trying to see their past life and saying, oh, in my last life, I was an old man and I had a broken leg. What, does it make any sense? No. Similarly, you have had a rebirth of a cycle. That old cycle is something of the past. Spirit is saying, instead of looking back in regret and sorrow, why don't you have faith in us? Everything is going to work out for your highest good. The universe is behind this new chapter which is beginning for you. No point looking back and feeling sorry about what happened in the past. It's time now to just trust that this new chapter, things are going to start working out for you. Attract all the good things now in your life, just like a baby would. Like a child says, today I want to wake up and then I want to eat ice cream. Okay? The child doesn't have any sense of good, bad, or who says, or what rules and regulations were, or whether your tummy is going to get spoiled by eating ice cream. Nothing. They want what they want. So Spirit is saying now be in that childlike expression, nurture yourself, take care of yourself like a baby, trust the universe has your back and things are going to work out, and stop looking at the past energy. What's this Judgment card, Spirit? See, this new life is going to bring you so much happiness. 10 of Cups, King of Cups, 10 of Cups. This is going to be wish fulfillment, emotional happiness. This new life of yours. Let go of, trying to hide your emotions or not expecting good things to come to you, hiding behind a mask and feeling, history is going to repeat itself. What else, Spirit? Yes, money, love. What else do you want? Money, love, 10 of Cups, and the Judgment card. So let go of all your fears you have regarding these things now. What can become a burden to Capricorn Spirit in August? 10 of Wands. See, again, that same burden that you're carrying, the baggage from the past. You can't see the stress. And this can become a blockage, Capricorn. This is like you imprisoned yourself thinking, oh my God. But these are the 10 wands you're carrying from your past cycle. Okay? You can drop this now. Otherwise, it's going to become a blockage. You'll get mentally trapped. You're going to think that you're carrying all those old wounds into this new chapter, new cycle of yours. 10, it means over. You have to start with the aces now. And they're coming with the Ace of Swords and the 9 of Pentacles energy. This is like a brand new life for you. So don't let this become a blockage of carrying the past burden into your future and blocking your, healing or your good fortune from coming in. How do people see my Capricorn Spirit in August? 10 of Cups. 10 of Cups. It's come here second time. Wish fulfillment, happiness, emotional happiness. Now, if you don't carry this burden into your next chapter, Virgo, I'm doing this reading now, so you have time to prepare. Okay? If you don't carry this energy into August, this is how people are going to be seeing you. Having all the happiness in the world, having all your wishes come true, having emotional balance in your life. These are the 10s that we want to go towards and not carry the 10 of Wands and the 10 of Swords into this new life of yours. 10 of Cups. Why do people see my Capricorn? You see, celebration, 10 of Cups, and ending that chapter. See, after you've ended this painful 10 of Swords, you are coming straight into celebration and the 10 of Cups. Get rid of this now. It's over. It's over. Don't carry this baggage. And people are going to be seeing that Capricorn has successfully ended a very painful chapter, painful cycle of their life. And now they're heading towards celebration, joy, happiness, and wish fulfillment. Coming back to you. All right. So, Spirit, what do you have as a secret message for my Capricorn now? 9 of Swords. Why is that a secret message? I already know, but you can clarify it for me, please. Why is 9 of Swords a secret message? Yes. One more. Why is that a secret message from you? One more. One more. Yes. All right. See, Capricorn, this is your time for healing now in August. I told you that before, right? If you want your wishes to come true, you will have to. This is what Spirit is saying also. You will have to get rid of this. These sleepless nights, this overthinking. What are you thinking about? What is gone now, right? This is the time for you now to see a higher perspective. See it from a higher point of view now. You have to block out anything that doesn't serve you. Anything that's not in your highest good, you have to block it out, because you are heading straight to take back control of your life. everything is going to be available for you, from passion to the pentacles to security, stability, everything. But just get out of your head. You have to consciously now make an effort to block off any negative thinking, any worry, any negative feelings from the past. Even when that thought comes to you, say, no, that's over, and I'm now going to think positive. I'm going to think of what good is going to come into my life. Don't carry the past hurt into the future, please. And August, I would suggest, don't be in a rush to make up your mind as to what to choose, where to go, be in a rush to do anything. Your new cycle is already planned out by the universe. The GPS is being set. All you have to do is take care of yourself, nurture yourself, and just wait for your ships to come in. They're coming. Okay? So that's all I have for you, Capricorn. Take good care of yourself. And I'll see you soon. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.